Lesnik, Lješi, or Šuman are the masters of all larger forests. Leshen is considered to like loud laughter. He likes to shout and sing. He is considered the master of all animals, but his favorite is the bear, because of his strength and his loud voice. It is believed that Leshen likes to wrestle with the bear. The Leshen can confuse people who are walking in the woods and make them get lost, making them wander in circles until they are exhausted or until someone realizes that it is the Leshen and they put on their suits inside out and can freely find their way out of the forest. Leshens love everything that is noisy and upside down. Leshen is the spirit of nature and the forest. It is believed that in the deepest forest it can be huge as the largest tree, and at the very end of the forest it could be reduced to the size of an acorn. Leshen can shapeshift, but it is thought to resemble half human, half animal. There are differences between the Slavic image of Lješi, but it is generally considered to have hooves and horns, so it can take form of other forest mythological creatures and gods of Indo-European culture, like Pan, Satyr, Faun, etc. It is sometimes believed that Lješi can assume a full human form, but that he has no eyebrows or eyelashes, or that he doesn't have one eye. It is believed that, like Satyr, who attracts his nymphs with his flute, Leshen also loves women and likes them to dance around him, and is considered to be a great lover. Les is an old Slavic word for forest, from which it got its name. In the vicinity of Leskovac, there is a custom that people went from house to house to celebrate the New Year, and their leader was masked and they were called Lesnici. The masked leaders were dressed in sheepskin. They have horns and an animal mask. They carry a wooden saber in one hand and a dogwood stick in the other. When they arrive in front of the house, they noisily enter the house and shout, dance, jump, pick everywhere, and hit the floor and the walls with sticks. They wave their sabers to drive away the Karakonjula, a smaller demon, and tease the masked daughter-in-law, who is a man. Leshen are considered not only protectors of forest, but also protectors of shepherds and livestock. I hope you liked this video. Goodbye and see you in the next one.